नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है ट्रेडिशनल एंड ऑथेंटिक कंचीपट्टू साड़ीज के बारे में। These sarees are pure Kanchivaram silk sarees, and let me first show you the one that I'm wearing right now. Have a look at this gorgeous beige color Kanchipattu saree, which has beautiful silver zari work all over the body, along with green color zari work. So we have dollars, paisleys, and florals with yalis all over the body, and the border has cross lines and floral buttees in silver zari. Let's have a look at the beautiful pallu, which has leaf brocade work over it in silver zari, and a very beautiful self blouse because the sari is so elegant and classy in itself. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BF301. Weaver's price is 17,249 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before starting with today's episode and before showing you more gorgeous sarees, ladies, please let me know what colors you want to see so that I can show you more of your favorites and you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Starting with this next gorgeous saree. This one is a beautiful pink color Kanchipattu saree. On the body of this one, we have floral buttees in gold zari. It's a peachy pink color saree. And the border has cross lines and zigzag lines with small cross lines again in gold zari. A very affordable sari with a beautiful pallu which has floral jal and cross line design in gold zari. And let me now show you the gorgeous self blouse for the gorgeous sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY731. Weaver's price is 5,919 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous saree from today's episode of Kanchipattu sarees. These are pure Kanchivaram silk sarees. Moving on to this gorgeous one now. Let's have a look at this beige and peach color Kanchipattu saree, which has floral buttees and gold zari on the body. You can see that gold looks extremely subtle yet very beautiful on the beige color, and the border, which is in peach color, has zigzag lines and floral jal, and again this work is in gold zari. Let me show you the pallu, which has floral buttees in kadi this time. Gorgeous gold zari work on the peach color, looking extremely ravishing and beautiful. And let me now show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse for this very gorgeous beige color saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY729. Weaver's price is 7,519 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So ladies, before moving on to the next saree, let me also tell you that we provide global courier service, which means no matter in which part of the world you are sitting when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. And cash and delivery option, that is only available in Hyderabad. Moving on to the next saree now. A gorgeous bottle green saree coming up for all the beautiful ladies, and this one is a borderless saree. It's very lightweight also. So let me show you the details. We have florals in zari in box pattern. Beautiful gold zari looking extremely royal on the green color. It's a borderless saree, and let me now show you the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. So we have florals in diamond design in gold zari. This saree has a gorgeous self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY741. Weaver's price is 5,839. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is a very beautiful royal blue color Kanchipattu saree, and let me show you the details right away. Very lovely color, isn't it, ladies? This one is in blue and pink color and body has floral buttees and zari. On the body we have copper zari work, which is standing out, looking extremely beautiful too. And the border has florals and leaves chal, dollars in boxes and cross lines in copper zari again. Here is the pallu, which has floral buttees and cross lines. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in pink color. And then we have a lovely contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY761. Weaver's price is 6,239 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next bright and beautiful sari. This one is in canary yellow color. Let me show you the details. Let's have a look at the gorgeous sari in yellow and purple color, which has floral buttees and zari. We have copper zari work on the body, and the border, which is in purple color, has floral jal with diamonds. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. And the sari has a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY768. Weaver's price is 6,239. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very gorgeous sari for the beautiful ladies, and let me show you the details right away. Such a royal color. I totally love this sari and the beautiful design over it. Let me show you the details. This one is in magenta and wine color, and on the body we have floral buttees in zari. We have gold zari floral buttees on the body. And the border has zigzag lines and florals in boxes. We also have florals and leaves jal, and this beautiful work is in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has floral buttees in kadi, and this is gold zari kadi all over it. We also have small diamonds and polkas and florals and leaves jal. And let's have a look at the beautiful silk blouse, because the sari is so elegant in itself. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY766. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous sari from today's episode of Kanchipattu Sari. And this one is a very classy one, so let me show you the details right away without any further waiting. This sari is in beautiful shade of pastel yellow with navy blue. We have gold zari diamonds and florals on the body. We have self-embossed floral lines. And let me show you the contrasting border in navy blue color, which has paisleys in boxes, florals and leaves jal, and beautiful work in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. So we have florals and diamonds in gold zari. And let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse for this sari. I will also show the back side of the sari, since a dear customer wants to see it. Let's have a closer look at it. So this is for Miss Ragini, who wanted to see the weave of the sari. It's very smooth, it's very comfortable, the weave is extremely beautiful. And now I will share the details of this sari to place the order. So the weaver's price is 7,519 and the item code is BY745. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So Miss Ragini, I hope you were happy with the back side of the sari too, and let me show you the next beautiful sari to you now. Here's another gorgeous sari from today's episode of Kanchipattu Sari, and let me show you the details right away. So on this sea green color sari, we have floral buttis and zari. Very small gold zari floral buttis are making the sari glow in gold color, adding a lovely shine and brightness. And here's the border, which has florals and peacocks with cross lines. We also have zigzag lines and diamonds on the border. And here's the pallu, which has florals and cross lines. We have a lovely self blouse because this color and the design is so beautiful in itself. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY765. Weaver's prices 8,639. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to next gorgeous sari, ladies, let me just tell you that if you want to see any specific color in today's episode, please let me know your answers in the comment section down below. That way, I will show you more of your favorites, and you can place your orders right away from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to next sari now. Such a bright and beautiful yellow with orange color saris here. Let me show you the details. This gorgeous sari has floral buttis and zari. We have beautiful gold zari work on the yellow color body, which is adding a lovely shine and brightness. Gold looks very subtle on the yellow color. And the beautiful orange color border has florals and leaves jal with diamonds. Again, this is also gold zari work. We have temples also on the edge. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in orange color, and we have florals and curvy checks along with the florals and leaves jal. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY749. Weaver's price is 7,519 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now, dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next sari, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, weavers' prices and live timings too. Moving on to. Hi guys. Today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos, and live videos. So dear ladies, I am back and I am going to show you another gorgeous sari. This one is a lovely pink color sari and an essential in every beautiful woman's wardrobe. Let me show you the details right away. Such a lovely sari, very contemporary style because it is borderless, and on the body we have florals and boxes in gold zari. The color is extremely pretty, and it's a borderless sari, giving it a very contemporary and lightweight look. And let me show you the pallu, which has floral buttis and checks. All over the sari we have gold zari work, giving it a beautiful shine. And let me now show you the beautiful self blouse for this very beautiful sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY737. Weaver's price is 5,839. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very elegant sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu saris. Here comes a gorgeous cream color Kanchipattu sari. And let me show you the details. On the body we have peacocks and florals in circles with checks. So we have self embossed work, and then we have peacocks in circles in gold zari also. Gold zari is looking extremely bright and beautiful on the cream color body. The border, which is in sea green color, has peacocks, diamonds and zigzag lines in gold zari. And here is the contrasting pallu, which is floral brocade work over it in gold zari again. Let's now have a look at the contrasting blouse for this gorgeous sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY747. Weaver's price is 8,159, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just ask the dear ladies, I hope you're enjoying today's episode. As you can see, the saris are in so many vibrant colors, and they're also totally affordable. They are at Weaver's prices, and they are extremely affordable, and they could be worn to any function, party and festivals too. So please make sure you're placing the order for your favorite sari right away, because Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to next gorgeous sari now. Here comes a beautiful peach color sari. It's a very feminine color and also a must-have for all the beautiful ladies out there. This one has floral butties on the body in silver zari. And the border has diamonds and florals in lines in a lovely pattern here in silver zari. Let me show you the pallu, which has floral butties and cross checks. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in chocolate brown color with silver zari work over it. And we have a beautiful contrasting blouse also. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY763. Weaver's price is 7,199, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Miss Ilu Ji, I hope you are definitely going to place the order for this sari, and I'm sharing the details right away with you. So please make sure you're placing the order right away, because Weaver's prices are valid only for 24 hours. Let me now show you next gorgeous sari from today's collection. Here comes a beautiful green with pink color Kanchipattu sari. Let's have a look at its body, which has florals and peacock butties in zari on the body. The gold zari is looking so royal, so lovely all over the body in green color. And the border, which is in peachish pink color, has zigzag lines and florals with peacocks. We also have dollars in boxes, and very intricate gold zari work is there all over our peach color border. Here's the pallu, which has florals and paisleys, butties with kadi, and a lovely contrasting blouse in peachy pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY753. Weaver's price is 7,519, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Ms. Sandhya Deepji, who wanted to see a white sari without any contrast. So since we do not have that specific sari in today's collection, all you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience. Isn't that amazing? And they will also show you the beautiful saris that you want to see in various colors and price ranges too. You can place the order right away directly during the video call, and we will deliver your sari to you in no time. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right away. Let me now show you next sari. And Miss Iluji, I think you will love this sari too, because this is also a color that you like. So let me share the details of this gorgeous peach color sari, which has floral butties and gold zari on the body. The color is very beautiful. It's very unique. It's a lovely Kanchipattu sari, Miss Iluji, and on the border we have florals and leaves jal with cross lines. Here is the pallu, which has floral butties in cross lines. It's a lovely contrasting pallu, And we have a lovely contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY764. Weaver's prices 6,239, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let me now show you a next classy, elegant sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu saris. And this one is a very beautiful shade of beige. Let's have a look at it right away. The color combination is also extremely beautiful. Let's get started with the details of the body, which has small floral buttees and drop buttees in gold zari. Very pretty work is there in gold. Gold is looking subtle and elegant on the beige color body. And the border in aqua blue color has floral buttees in silver zari, floral buttees in gold. Then we have paisleys with florals in leaf jal and zari lines in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it, along with the paisleys and florals and leaf jal in gold zari. And let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse for this very beautiful beige sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY748. Weaver's prices 6,639, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next gorgeous sari from today's collection, and these saris are pure Kanjivaram silk saris. Moving on to the next one. This one is a very beautiful mustard color sari, and let me show you the details right away. On the body we have floral buttees in gold zari. So we have two types of floral buttees. Here's the bigger one and here's the smaller floral buttees. They are more like leaf petals, floral petals in gold zari. Here's the border, which has temples, dollars and lines, zigzag lines and paisleys with florals and leaf jal in gold zari. And let me now show you the contrasting pallu, which has floral buttees in kadi all over it in gold zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in orange color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY736. Weaver's price is 6,639, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next sari, let me show you the beautiful necklace that I'm wearing, which is by Shreya's Jewellers. Let's have a closer look at this beautiful, delicate pearl necklace. This very beautiful necklace, this mala, is by Shreya's Jewellers. They have two stores. One is at Madhapur, Hyderabad. Another one is in the USA. So please make sure to check out their collection. Let me now show you next gorgeous sari, and this one is in green and pink color. Such a refreshing shade of green. And let's have a look at the details. On the body we have paisleys, buttees in silver zari. And the border has floral buttees and paisleys and zigzag lines in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has floral jal and cross lines. This is also beautiful silver zari work on the contrasting pink color pallu. And let's have a look at the contrasting blouse for this beautiful green sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY735. Weaver's price is 7,199, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Iluji. So first of all, thank you so much for following me. I'm so grateful for that, and also keep following us and keep showing us your love and support every single day by watching our lives at 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. IST. Also make sure to shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks, because our saris are most exclusive and always available at Weaver's prices during our live sessions. Also, yes, we do have a store at Chennai, so please make sure to visit it whenever you are around. Moving on to next sari now. This one is a gorgeous sari in mustard color, and let me show you the details. It's a mustard with dress sari, and on the body we have florals and paisleys, buttis in gold and silver zari. Very pretty and beautiful work on the body, and the border in rust color has temples, zigzag lines, florals and leaves, jal and dollars in boxes. Let me show you the pallu, which has floral buttis in kadi. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in orange color with huge floral buttis in gold zari. And let's have a look at the beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY756. Weaver's price is 7,919. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari, and this one is a lovely navy blue color kanchi pattu sari. Let's have a look at it. Today's collection sarees are very lightweight and totally affordable, so please make sure you're placing your order right away too. Let's have a look at the body, which has floral buttis in silver zari. Very classy work, very classy design. And the border has florals and diamonds in lines in a beautiful pattern. We have zigzag lines and diamonds detailing inside the designs. And here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work. So it's a contrasting pink color pallu with lovely silver zari work all over it. Let me show you the beautiful contrasting blouse for this sari, also in pink color. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY780. Weaver's price is 7,199, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very beautiful lime yellow with pink color kanchi pattu sari. So let me show you the details right away. Here comes another lovely color combination. Let me show you the details right away. On the body of this one, we have peacocks and dollars in zari checks. So there are gold zari checks with huge peacock buttis in gold zari. And the polkas are in silver zari. So lovely contrast of zari is there. Here's the border in pink color, a contrasting border which has diamonds and florals in gold zari. And a beautiful pallu which has paisleys, buttis and checks. So this work is also in gold zari, contrasting beautifully on the pink color pallu. And then we have a lovely contrasting blouse which has zari lines over it in gold zari too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY759. Weaver's price is 8,479. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari from today's collection. This one is also in a very lovely color, so please make sure to place your order right away. Here's the gorgeous sari for all the gorgeous ladies. On the peach and blue color sari, we have peacocks and florals in zari boxes. So they have huge zari boxes in gold zari. Very classy design, very contemporary style sari, very statement piece also. One of my favorites from today's collection, ladies. It's a borderless sari, giving it a very fresh look. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work. So it's a contrasting pallu in blue color, which has florals and cross checks in gold zari. Let me also show you the beautiful contrasting blouse, which is also in blue color. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY778. Weaver's price is 15,999 rupees. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next gorgeous sari now. Another lovely color combination coming for all the lovely ladies. This one is in sea green with pink color. It's a very beautiful color combination. And we have peacocks and dollars in checks on the body. So the checks are in gold zari, the peacocks are in gold too, and the polka buttis are in silver zari. The contrasting border in pink color has diamonds and florals in gold zari with zigzag lines and zari boxes and lines. And here is the pallu, which has paisley buttis and cross checks. It's a contrasting pink pallu with beautiful gold zari work over it. Let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse which has zari lines over it, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY776. Weaver's price is 8,479. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next gorgeous sari ladies, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections, Weaver's prices and everyday lives too. Moving on.
Drape yourself in Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks and bring out the royalty within you. Do follow Kanchi VML Silks so that you can never miss updates and offers from VML Silks.
I'm back for all the beautiful ladies with a very beautiful sari. This one is in rose pink color. And let me show you the details. One of the essentials in every woman's wardrobe. We have florals and paisleys buttis on the body in gold and silver zari. So we have two types of zari work all over the pink body. And the border in lilac color has paisleys with florals. We have cross lines, zigzag lines. And then again we have florals with paisleys in gold zari. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has floral buttis in kadi. So it's a lovely contrasting pallu. We have florals in leaves, jal, cross lines, kadis in gold zari, and beautiful threadwork florals in wine and pink color. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY785. Weaver's price is 7,919. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari ladies, let me just ask you that I hope you're enjoying today's episode, and also please let me know your favorite saris in the comment section down below. That way I will keep that in mind and also show you next saris in upcoming episodes, also your favorite ones. And today also I will try to show you more of your favorites so that you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next sari now. Here's a gorgeous shade of blue, and let me share the details of this beautiful Kanchipattu sari. We have zari lines in silver zari all over the body. Silver is looking very lovely on the blue color body, adding a lovely shine to it. And the border has florals and yardis in lines with temples, and all this beautiful work is again in silver zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has florals and cross lines over it. We have triangles also, we have zigzag lines also, and all this work is in silver zari again. And this sari has a gorgeous self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY791. Weaver's price is 7,759. We need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let me now show you next sari, and this one is such a beautiful shade of pink that all of you are going to love it, and also make sure to place the order right away. Such a beautiful color, isn't it, ladies? Let me share the details of this sari. We have floral buttis in gold zari on the body. Look at the lovely shine it is adding. And let's have a look at the border, which has peacocks with florals. We have small zari boxes and cross lines with dollars and boxes in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has brocade work over it. This gorgeous, beautiful gold zari brocade work. We have peacocks and lines. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY787. Weaver's price is 7,279, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So before moving on to the next sari ladies, let me just tell you that you can see that these saris are so vibrant in different color combinations, and also they're totally affordable too. Most of the saris are within the price range of 10,000 rupees, and getting such beautiful Kanchipattu saris at that prices, that's amazing. Let me now show you the next beautiful sari from today's episode of Kanchipattu saris, pure Kanchivaram silk saris. This one is in peacock blue color, so it's a very lovely color. And let's have a look at the details, which has floral buttis and paisley's buttis on the body in copper and silver zari combination. So 2 types of zari work on peacock blue body. And the border in green color has temples, cross lines, florals and leaves jal with paisleys in gold zari. Here is the pallu in green color, which has floral buttis and cross checks. So we have florals and leaves jal with paisleys in silver zari. Then we have florals and cross checks in gold zari. And here's a beautiful contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY774. Weaver's price is 6,479, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also in a very lovely color combination. This one is orange with maroon sari. Let me share the details. Very beautiful design. On this orange body, we have floral buttis in gold and silver zari. Again, 2 types of zari shining brightly on the orange color body. And the border, which is in magenta color, has dollars, zigzag lines, and florals and leaves jal in colorful thread work. Here is the pallu, which has florals and leaves with curry. It's a lovely contrasting pallu with huge floral buttis over it in gold. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY775. Weaver's price is 7,919. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu saris. Ladies, I hope you're enjoying the episode, and also please make sure to like, follow and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections of saris, exclusive saris at Weaver's prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function and festival that you attend. Moving on to next sari now. Here's a lovely sari in beautiful navy blue and pink color. And on the body, we have silk embossed checks with peacocks and florals buttis inside them in gold zari. Here's the border in pink color, which has dollars in checks with peacocks. Beautiful bright gold zari work on the pink color border. And let me now show you the pallu, which has florals and leaf buttis in zari checks. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu with gold zari work. And then we have a lovely contrasting blouse which has self checks over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY758. Weaver's price is 8,159. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next beautiful sari is for a very beautiful customer, Miss Ilu Ji. So let me share the details of this lovely sari. And this one is in purple color, just like you wanted. So let's have a look at the details. On the body, we have silver zari floral buttis. Very simple and elegant work is there. Very classy sari. And on the border, we have florals, cross lines and zari lines in silver zari. Here is the pallu, which has brocade work on it. So it's a self pallu, and we have florals and geometrical boxes in silver zari. And the sari has a gorgeous contrasting blouse which has brocade work also over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY751. Weaver's price is 7,439. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next sari, and this one is a very classic combination of red with green. Let's have a look at it. On the body of this beautiful sari, we have floral buttis in gold zari. And our border in green color has florals and leaves with zigzag lines in gold again. Here's the pallu, which has florals and leaves in line. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY769. Vivo's price is 7,519. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very royal one, so please make sure to place your order right away. This one is a gorgeous midnight blue color sari, Kanchipattu sari, pure Kanjivaram silk sari. And let's have a look at the details. We have florals and leaves jal in copper zari on the body. You can see that the beautiful contrast is extremely lovely. And the border has florals and cross checks with zari lines. Here's the beautiful pallu, which has florals in zari checks with zigzag lines in copper zari. And a very beautiful self blouse, because there is so much amazing work on the sari as it is. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY777. Weaver's price is 9,519. And you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to our next beautiful sari. And this one is in such a refreshing shade of green. It's the two tones of green, so let me share the details. On this lovely green with sea green Kanchipattu sari, we have paisleys with floral buttees in gold and silver sari. And the border in sea green color has zigzag lines, paisleys and florals and leaves jal in gold sari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has florals and leaves and paisleys buttees this time. It's a contrasting pallu. We have huge paisleys buttees in gold sari. And let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse also. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY783. Weaver's price is 7,919. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Ms. Virita Devi ji, who wants to see a grey color sari. Since we do not have that sari in today's episode, all you can do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show the beautiful sari that you want to see in various collections and price ranges too. So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right away. Moving on to the next sari now. Another very royal and lovely saris here in beautiful color combination. This one is in maroon with pink. And we have florals and leaves with peacocks and circles on the body. Beautiful zari work all over the body. We have gold zari work all over the body, and here's the pink color border, which has diamonds and floral jal. We also have dollars and lines. And the pallu has floral buttees and checks. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse for the sari in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY773. Weaver's price is 9,599. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari from today's episode of Kanchipattu saris, which are totally affordable and very vibrant too. This one is a sea green with peach color Kanchipattu sari which has florals and boxes. So very intricate floral detailing is there inside these zari boxes in silver zari. And the border has diamonds and florals with peacocks and lines. And we have small zari boxes and lines with temples on the edge of the border in silver zari. Here is the pallu which has floral brocade work over it. It's a lovely pink color contrasting pallu which has silver zari florals all over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY793. Weaver's prices 7,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just welcome our very dear customer, Miss Abhilasha Ji, and thank you so much for your compliment. I hope you're loving the sarees that I'm showing in today's episode, and also please make sure to place the order for these beautiful Kanchipattu sarees right away. As you know, the Weaver's prices are only valid for 24 hours. Moving on to next gorgeous saree, this one is a beautiful bright pink color Kanchipattu saree. On this pink and sea green Kanchipattu sari, we have florals and leaf buttees and silver zari on the body. Silver is looking so bright and shiny on the pink color body, making it look even more lovely. The border has paisleys, diamonds, and we have florals with leaves jal in silver zari. And here is the pallu which has cross lines in lines. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in sea green color. And we also have a contrasting blouse in sea green color too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY789. Weaver's price is 7,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, my dear beautiful ladies, before moving on to the next saree, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow these steps to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections and Weaver's prices too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Here I am back with another very beautiful saree in a vibrant color combination. Let me show you the details. This one is a yellow with blue color Kanchipattu sari which has floral buttees in gold zari on the body with self-embossed checks. And inside the self checks we have small polkas also in self-embossed work. We also have paisleys, buttees and diamonds in gold zari on the body. And here is the border in blue color which has cross lines and floral jal. We also have dollars and boxes and peacocks with florals in gold zari. Here is the contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has self-embossed checks all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY782. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree. This one is a very gorgeous pink color Kanchipattu saree. Let's have a look at it. Classic color combination of pink with blue. We have loved since our childhood, and this one has floral buttees in gold zari on the body. Small floral buttees are looking so pretty and elegant on the pink body, while the blue color border has peacocks and circular floral buttees, and we have cross lines with florals and leaf jal in gold zari. Here is the pallu which has florals and cross lines in gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY742. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful saree for today's collection, that is Kanchipattu sarees. This one is a gorgeous sea green saree with beautiful work on the body. So we have self-embossed lines, and then we have diamonds in gold zari and diamond in self-embossed work. The border in navy blue color has cross lines, florals and cross checks, polkas and boxes, paisleys and florals in boxes too in gold zari. And here is a lovely pallu which has floral buttis and cross checks. This sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY779. Weaver's price is 7,679. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to next beautiful sari, ladies, let me just show you the gorgeous necklace that I'm wearing today, and that is by Shreya Raj Jewellers. It's a beautiful pearl mala with lovely elephant motifs here which have diamonds and emerald in it. Very beautiful design. And they have two stores. One is in Madhapur, Hyderabad. Another one is in the USA. Please do check out their collections. And let's move on to our next sari for today's episode. That is a beautiful green with sea green color Kanchipattu sari. On the green color body, we have floral buttis in copper zari. Very bright and lovely work is there, and the border in sea green has cross lines and floral jal in gold zari. In copper zari, we also have dollars and boxes. Let me now show you the contrasting pallu which has floral buttis and cross lines. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY770. Weaver's price is 6,239. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next saree is also a very gorgeous one in a very beautiful color combination, a must-have for all the beautiful ladies. And let me share the details right away. Such a beautiful pink color Kanchipattu sari, a pure Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has floral buttis in zari. Very small and elegant floral buttis are there which are adding a lovely gold shine to the peachy pink body. The border in pink color has florals and leaves jal over cross lines in gold zari, and then we have peacocks with florals and leaves jal in gold zari again. Here is the pallu which has floral brocade work over it, and a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY781. Weaver's price is 5,919. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. I will be showing you the sarees that are draped on the mannequin, so that you can have a look and you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on you, and also with your beautiful smile you're going to glow in it. Moving on to the first one now. This one is a sea green color Kanchipattu sari which has zari lines in copper zari and silver zari on the body. So we have two types of zari work all over the body. The border has florals with yalis and lines in copper zari. Very intricate and detailed work is there. Beautiful design. And the pallu has florals and cross lines and lines. This sari has a lovely self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY744. Weaver's price is 7,759. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next gorgeous sari for today's collection, that is a lovely Kanchipattu sari in pastel yellow and green color. On the body, we have florals and diamonds and checks. Gorgeous gold zari work all over the pastel yellow color body. And the border in sea green color has florals and leaves jal with cross lines. This work is also in gold zari, standing out and looking extremely bright and lovely. Our contrasting pallu has florals and cross lines, and we have a contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY739. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. moving on to the next sari, ladies. Let's take blessings from the divine goddess to have a wonderful week ahead and to have an extremely amazing shopping experience from Varamahalakshmi Silks. And let's have our next look at our next sari. This one is a bottle green with pink color Kanchipattu sari. Body has florals, buttis in zari. Small floral buttis in gold are looking always beautiful on the green color. The border has floral jal with peacocks and cross lines. It's a contrasting pink color border with gold zari work on it. And the beautiful pallu has floral buttis and cross checks. We have a contrasting blouse in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY732. Weaver's price is 7,519. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Here's the last sari for today's episode. This one is a gorgeous yellow with magenta color Kanchipattu sari, which has floral buttis and self-embossed checks on the body with small diamonds and florals and self-embossed work too. The contrasting border in magenta color has florals and cross lines in gold zari. We also have peacocks and boxes. And our contrasting pallu has paisleys, buttis and cross checks. There's a contrasting blouse for the sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY788. Weaver's prices 8,159. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before ending today's live, let me just answer queries by a dear customer. So dear Yogmaya ji, who loved the blouse and also my look today, thank you so much. The blouse is by R for Rupamani, and Miss Madhura ji, thank you so much for loving the episode, loving the saris and the collection, and also hello to you. I mean, you came little late, but you can watch the episode since the beginning once we save it on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Also have a look at all the beautiful collection of saris. So dear lovely ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. These saris were so affordable and in so many different colors. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also keep showing a lot of love and a lot of support to us. Namaskaram.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.